Yeah, today I am going to explain about the MCP remote calculator application built with Langflow components and MCP server. Here MCP server is also called as MCP Connection, and I have used the AI agent and I have used Google generative AI. I have generated Google API keys for myself, and I am using the prompt in the AI agent itself. I am using chat input and chat output. These are my components: one chat input, one AI agent, MCP connection or MCP server, and chat output. Okay, and now we will know how to install Langflow 1.4.2. From Langflow 1.4 model, MCP servers are supported. So I have installed Langflow 1.4.2. There is a command required for installing Langflow 1.4.2. This is the command required for the installing Langflow 1.4.2. First, we have to check for the Python version. Then we have to check for the UV version. Then we have to write this command in the command prompt. And after giving this command, script slash activate, we have to give the command uv pip install Langflow. Then we can see that our Langflow 1.4.2 will get installed. And to open the Langflow for the first time, we have to we have to give the command prompt command as uv run Langflow run. Then we can see the Langflow application is showing in our URL in any browser. We can browse this one. So I will show my URL. Yeah, this is my URL where my Langflow application is there. So now we'll get to know how to get the MCP server address. We have to get the MCP server address using this command. See, we have to run this command python calculator mcp server.py. We will get this Python file from the GitHub server. I have got it from the GitHub server, and I have made few changes in the Python file. I have used the Flask application. If you get any error related to Flask, you have to write this command in the command prompt: pip install Flask. So your Flask errors will be removed, and the server website will be in the github.com model text context protocol public server. So you will get the prescribed servers. These are the model context protocol servers where we can go through our server. We need a calculation server, so we can simply say these are the calculator related server. The server enables LLMs to use calculator for precise numerical calculations. From this URL only, we got the calculator Python file. Just now I have shown you. Yeah, here simple changes for our application. I have few simple changes as per our application. Here I am seeing, you can see that this is the same MCP server calculator where we will get the Python file from. See here we are seeing the available tools and how we have to install the MCP server calculator. We have to use this command for installing MCP server calculator, and we have to run the script after installing MCP server calculator, without which our MCP server will not run. Okay, and we have to use UVX MCP server calculator. I will show the same where I have used this in our application UVX MCP server calculator, and the tool, if we are refreshing, we will get it is the name as calculator. Okay, and to get the MCP server address, I already have shown you how to get. When I run this file, the Python file which you are getting from that URL, the previous URL, the Python file, we can get this MCP server URL. We can use this in the MCP server. Now I will explain the connections: chat input, chat output, MCP connection, and a AI agent with Google API key. I have selected a model. Okay, now I will explain the working and what is exactly remote calculator application, MCP remote calculator application. MCP remote calculator application does simple mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here, through chat input, the agent receives the input, then it will pass on to the MCP server. The MCP server again gives the output or solutions to the user's input. Let us see how. See, first we will do addition. First we will do an addition. It will show the input to us. Later, when the output is ready, it will say finished and it will show the output. See, now it is showing the user's input, what I have given. In the next step, it will show finished and it will show the output. It will calculate, it will do the addition and gives the output. It took much time, but it has shown the output. This is all about my application. This is just simple subtraction, multiplication, division, and addition, mathematical calculation. This is all about my Langflow remote calculator application. Thank you.